Let me ask you this question. Why do women in abusive marriages, women who are beaten, insulted, and humiliated, still sleep with their husbands as though nothing is wrong? I know it's a tough topic, but it is real. It's happening every day, and maybe, just maybe, you know someone going through it. Before I continue, I want to hear from you in the comments. Do you think it's fear, love, or just survival that keeps them in that circle? Drop your thoughts under the comment section because today we're breaking this down. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will see this issue differently. This is Uwaoma Iro TV. Don't forget to subscribe and do not forget to share. Now, let me share the story of a woman I'll call Amaka. It's a real life story. Amaka was a beautiful, intelligent woman, but she married a man who turned her world into a nightmare. He would beat her over small arguments, over salt in the soup, over a missed call, and yet at night, she would still share a bed with him. When I asked her why, her answer broke me. She said, if I refuse, he will beat me more. And if I leave, where will I go with my kids? For her, intimacy had stopped being about love. It has become survival. And sadly, her story is not unique. Let's be honest here, yeah? How many of you have heard similar stories? Or maybe you have been close to someone like Amaka. Tell me in the comments, why do you think women stay and even maintain intimacy in such marriages? I want us to talk about this because it is important and a whole lot of people need to hear about this topic. Now, here's the truth. Fear. Many women stay intimate with abusive husbands because they fear worse violence if they refuse. Financial dependence. Some don't have the money or support system to live. A whole lot of women that are with their husband right now is because they are not financially okay. Cultural and religious beliefs. Now, society tells them marriage is for better or for worse, so they have to endure silently. Even when you go to the churches, you see the pastors telling them you have to endure because you took a vow for better, for worse. Now, hope for change. They believe if he would change, especially when he apologizes after the abuse, like he would change when he comes and tell you sorry. But you see, this is not just a marriage issue, it's a mental and emotional prison. Now, the big question is, what needs to be done? Now, here's what must happen if you want to break this circle. Counseling and therapy. There are a whole lot of people you can speak with about this. Both partners need intervention. Abuse isn't just physical, it's psychological. Awareness. Women must be educated about their rights and support systems available. Safe space. Shelters, NGOs, and helpliness exist, but are underused because of shame and stigma. Now, how about community support? Where do we place it? You see, friends, families, neighbors, don't turn a blind eye. Speak up and help them to find a way out. Now, how do we now overcome this abuse? And for any woman watching this right now, yeah, if this is your reality, please know this. You're not weak. You're not to blame. And you're not alone. Speak up. See, there are organizations that can help. Talk to someone you trust. Start planning and exit safely. Your life is worth more than staying in pain, abuse, all of those negative things that keeps you in one spot. And to the beautiful families out there, this conversation must continue. What do you think is the best way women in abusive marriages can reclaim their freedom and dignity? Drop your answers in the comments and let's help someone today. Now, abuse thrives in silence. This is one thing that you should know. So let's be the voice that breaks it. I'm Uwaoma Iro and this is Uwaoma Iro TV. Real talk, real life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you believe we need to talk about these things that matters.